My name is Kaushik, and I'm here right now at Aster RV. My father he just underwent a double lung transplant surgery 14 days back, and he's doing really well, and he's just going to be discharged home. My father was diagnosed with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis around 3-4 years back by Dr. Srivatsa, who is a practicing pulmonologist at Aster CMI. And my father's condition got worse over the last few years. It's a progressive disease. We don't have a treatment so far, and lung transplant was one of the last resort to give him a better quality of life. And Dr. Vatsa recommended us meeting with Dr. Pavan from Aster RV because Dr. Pavan leads a transplant team based out of Bangalore. So we met up with Dr. Pavan about 2-3 months back. Ever since my father's condition was not doing really well, and Dr. Pavan and his team has been really helpful in kind of sitting us down, helping us walk through what to expect in terms of a lung transplant surgery, what to expect before, what we need to do during, at the time when we receive a call that a donor is available. And now the team is gone helping us understand how to provide care for my father after the surgery. So overall, it's been an amazing experience. I mean, obviously I would not have wished for this disease, but given this current state of things, definitely very thankful that we got referred to Dr. Pavan by Dr. Vatsa, and that we were able to diagnose his condition and have this surgery. And I think the transplant surgeons headed by Dr. Sandeep was also equally very helpful in helping us understand what to expect and what not to expect, etc. And even through this whole process, they've been very clear about each and every instructions, really trying to get us to understand all this process end to end. So yeah, overall we are actually very happy with the outcome. We are very glad that my father is right now doing well, and really thankful for Dr. Pavan and his team.
And we also thank because we have come at the appropriate time and to the appropriate place, and to the appropriate doctor.
Yeah, I think one of the most important thing about lung transplant is any of these diseases or anything needs to be caught early, and that you need to do the pre-work necessary and get on the list, because getting a donor sometimes can be difficult based on your type. So it's really, really important that you meet up with a specialist sooner, and we are very happy that we did, and that we are my father is there right now doing well, so we are very glad about that.
Thank you all.
Thank you.